The 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500's engine room isn't flashy, but it certainly gets the job done well. The 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 eschews zippy turbocharged engines in favor of a trio of naturally aspirated 6- and 8-cylinder motors, plus the option of a hybrid that's now available nationwide. We've awarded the lineup 2 points, one for the V8s and one for the available 8-speed automatic transmission-based Silverado 1500s included a 4.3-liter V6 rated at 285 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque. For most of us, it's more than adequate and it provides strong acceleration even with a modest load aboard. The V6 is rated to tow an impressive 7,600 pounds and it can send power either rearward or to all four wheels via 6-speed automatic transmission. Better still is the 5.3-liter V8 rated at 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-ft of torque. It doesn't deliver a mountain of off-the-line power like Ford's twin-turbo V6. But this V8 is smooth and predictable, not to mention efficient in real-world driving since it can shut down half of its cylinders for light load situations. The V8 comes standard with a 6-speed automatic, but higher-spec 2018 Silverados are equipped instead with an 8-speed on paper. The 8-speed is a little thirstier, but in reality the numbers should be about the same, and it's notable for its buttery smooth shifts. The 5.3-liter V8 can lug up to 11,000 pounds with the right options selected. Spec up a Silverado all the way and you'll find the 6.2-liter V8 that's optional on LTZ and high country trims with 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-ft of torque. It is noticeably more powerful than the base 5.3 and it works well with the 8-speed automatic. Maximum towing capacity here is 12,500 pounds, which is more than enough for nearly every truck buyer now available across the country after being relegated to only a handful of West Coast markets last year. The Silverado eAssist mild hybrid pairs the 5.3-liter V8 to a 0.45 kWh lithium-ion battery and a small electric motor that adds 13 horsepower and 44 pounds-ft of torque. There's not a big real-world difference in acceleration, but the eAssist earns better fuel economy and shuts off the gas engine during coasting and while at a stop. The eAssist powertrain is available with both rear and four-wheel drive and can be specified on LT and LTZ trim levels only.